Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we break down the latest products and help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we're looking at a stylish yet functional kitchen gadget that's caught our eye, the Ballarini Tesoro Countertop Blender in cherry red, proudly made in Italy. If you're someone who loves the idea of a sleek, compact blender that can handle everything from smoothies to salsas, you might want to keep watching. This could be the countertop companion you've been looking for. The Ballarini Tesoro is a compact powerhouse. Its eye-catching cherry red design isn't just about looks. It's built for real-world use, fitting neatly under cabinets and blending into your kitchen seamlessly. At just the right size, it doesn't take up much space but delivers on performance. Featuring a 10-speed control, 3 preset programs, and a pulse function, this blender offers flexibility for everything from silky soups to chunky salsa. Its 800-watt motor means it can handle tough ingredients with ease, and the razor-sharp stainless steel blades are designed to crush ice, blend fruit, and puree vegetables into smooth consistency. Exactly what you need for a variety of recipes. Now let's talk about what makes this product stand out. The blender comes with a 32-ounce carafe and a 16-ounce personal blender cup, offering versatility for both large and individual servings. A built-in measuring cup in the jug makes it easier than ever to measure your ingredients, so you don't need to worry about getting the proportions just right. The personal blender cup is an added bonus for those busy mornings. Just blend, remove the blades, pop on the lid, and you're ready to go. For added convenience, it features anti-slip feet that ensure stability during use, and a safety switch to prevent operation if the jug or bottle isn't securely attached. Plus, the cord storage means you won't have to deal with tangled wires when it's time to pack it away. Using the Ballarini Tesoro is a pleasant experience. Setting it up is a breeze. Just plug it in, select your speed or program, and you're good to go. I tested it by making a variety of recipes: a smoothie, a batch of salsa, and even crushed ice for a frozen margarita. The blender easily handled the frozen fruit for smoothies and pureed vegetables into a smooth soup in just a few seconds. It's quiet too. At no point did I feel like I was blasting away at full volume, which is a nice touch compared to other blenders I've used in the past. The pulse function came in handy for those occasions where I wanted more control over texture, and the 10-speed control allowed me to adjust depending on what I was blending. In terms of downsides, there's not much to dislike. The one thing that may concern some users is the relatively small 32-ounce carafe. If you often entertain large groups or need to prepare large batches, you may find it a bit limiting. However, it's perfect for smaller families or individuals who prefer fresh, individual servings. Also, while the motor is powerful, some might find the 800 watts a bit underwhelming if they're used to professional-grade blenders with higher wattage. Still, for most home cooks, it's more than enough for everyday tasks. So, what does this all mean when it comes to value for money? Well, the Ballarini Tesoro is priced in the mid-range for countertop blenders, and I'd say it offers solid value given its performance, build quality, and added features. If you're someone who doesn't want to break the bank on a blender, but you also don't want to settle for a budget model, this strikes a good balance. It does what it promises, blends efficiently, is easy to clean, and has the flexibility to handle a variety of recipes. However, if you're in the market for a blender with a larger capacity, or you want a model that can handle more complex blending tasks like nut butters or heavy-duty smoothies, you might want to explore other options. Now, how does the Ballarini Tesoro stack up against competitors in the same price range? Compared to other mid-range blenders like the Ninja or Hamilton Beach models, it's a bit more compact and aesthetically pleasing. The design is definitely a win, and if that's something that matters to you, it's a big selling point. On the flip side, some alternatives might offer slightly more power or larger capacities for the same price. For example, the Ninja Professional Blender, which typically comes with a larger pitcher and more powerful motor, might be a better choice if you're looking for larger batches or more power under the hood. But if you're after a blender that's both stylish and effective in smaller quantities, the Ballarini Tesoro does a fantastic job. As for the build quality, the blender feels sturdy and well-built. The materials used are solid, and the blender doesn't feel cheap. The anti-slip feet are a small but effective feature, keeping the unit steady even when you're cranking up the speed. The carafe and personal cup are made of durable plastic, and they're easy to clean thanks to the detachable blades and seal ring. However, like any appliance, you'll want to handle the parts with care to avoid any potential cracks or wear over time. When it comes to customer support, there's not much to report, as I haven't had to reach out to Ballarini for any issues, but the brand does have a reputation for good customer service, and it offers a warranty on the product. If you do run into any issues, it's likely that the company will be quick to assist, but as of now, this hasn't been a point of concern for me. In conclusion, the Ballarini Tesoro Countertop Blender stands out for its compact design, flexibility, and overall ease of use. It's perfect for individuals or small families who want a blender that can handle daily tasks like smoothies, salsas, and soups. While its capacity might not suit large households or those looking to prepare larger batches, its performance is impressive for the price. Its build quality, design, and quiet operation make it a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish blender without breaking the bank. If you're someone who values both form and function, this could be the blender for you. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've enjoyed this review or have any questions about the Ballarini Tesoro, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, I'm out. Keep your kitchen stylish and your smoothies smooth. And I'll catch you in the next one.